After you install the base unit, you are ready to install the robotics unit. The robotics unit is mounted in the upper portion of the base unit. The two units together are called the base module. Remove the two shipping straps and place them with the rest of the packing material. Failure to remove the shipping straps results in an initialization failure. Lift the reduction gear pin. This was set at the factory for safe shipment of the robotics unit. Slide the robotics unit approximately halfway into the slot above the base unit. Slide the unit most of the way into the slot above the base unit. Push the lever to the right to lower the robotics latch door. Push the robotics unit completely into the slot at the top of the base unit. Make sure that the guide rail on the left side of the robotics unit fits into the slot on the front panel. If it does not, the robotic movement will be impeded. Check that the right latch is seated. The locking lever should be to the right, and you should not be able to move the robotics unit. If necessary, push the lever to the right. Finally, close the latch door. Verify the proper installation checkpoints for the robotics unit. The robot guide rail on the left is inserted into the alignment slot. If this is not aligned, the X table will bind when it descends. The latch door lever is locked and secure. This latches the cover plate into position. The latch door tabs on the bottom are behind the base unit panel. If these are not aligned, the robotics unit is not fully and squarely seated with the connector at the rear of the base unit, and the plate will not close. The locking lever on the far right is fully engaged in the locking hole. If this is not engaged, the robotics unit is not secured within the base unit. To reinstall the cap door, first make sure that the plastic bushing is on the top hinge pin. Then slip the spring latch onto the bottom hinge pin. Lift the door so that the top hole is over the top hinge pin. Lower the door onto the pin. Test the door to make sure it is on the pins and swings freely. Close and lock the front door. Press the facade onto the front of the robotics unit. The ball studs on the facade snap into the clips on the robotics unit.